Okay, here we are, staring at my desktop. Yay, it's a wonderful desktop. We're gonna connect to my machine at the house that the Minecraft server runs on it, and we're gonna go to one of the folders where some of the web stuff is stored for the Not Another Craft website. And it's inside NACD. So this has some stuff that needs to go away. Root says do it. Now, we've already got one. So this banner.php, I'm going to quickly demonstrate what it does. If we go here, we look at it, it just dynamically generates this banner. Hey, there's actually someone on. Wonder who it is. It's my sister. Okay. I'm not going to troll her right now. But we already can actually get the players list now. This isn't actually getting the player list, this is getting the player count, but it's the same idea. So we're actually going to start with the same file. So I'm going to copy banner to list PHP. I'm going to do it as root. I'm going to sudo vim. Oh, actually first we're going to sudo u root. So we're just going to become root here, which is sudo s, not as I fail at Linux. And just to make this easier on you guys, I'm going to make this window a little bit bigger because I just realized that that's probably hard to read. So we're going to jack this up to 18-point font. Yeah. I figure that's easier to read. Okay. So we're going to copy. We're going to export. XAUTHORITY is equal to home Aaron X-authority. So that means that we're going to use my user's X-authority. We're going to start up my X server here. I'm going to say gvim, because that's my text editor of choice, plus.php. This takes a moment for the initial negotiation to happen. And guess this one needs to get bigger too, so we're going to crank that up to 18-point font, 18 font and change the color scheme because this is root's account and his are different than mine. So we're going to go with color scheme evening. So this is PHP. Now a lot of this is going to go away. We don't need this function to outline text. We don't need to care about the so this bit here is okay. This can stay. We actually need that offline is false. So this here is all going to go away. So this program does something very simple. Go away, go away, go away, go away, go away, go away. So this connects to the server, gets the infos on the players. If the server is offline, it's going to do these things. If the server's online, it's going to do these things. So we're going to get rid of those, and we're going to say if it's offline, we're going to die, saying server offline. And we're going to close. We're going to do that. So in order to simulate the server being offline, we're just going to change the port number. And we're going to go over here. We're going to press F5, and we're going to take a look at this. It says failed to receive challenge. So what actually has happened is it actually died already, because apparently I already did that. Failed to receive challenge, it failed. So apparently I need to adjust my error handling, but we're not going to deal with error handling at this point. We get a blank page because we haven't told it to do anything. So we're going to say for, and as I have to Google how to do a for in PHP because I'm PGP, because I haven't done PHP and I want to do for each. You do it, it's a for each. Okay, that's not bad. So we say for each P in PL. So for all the players, there's, and yeah, this we're going to print p, concatenate it with a break. Actually, we're not going to do it to break. We're going to do p concatenated with new line. And we're going to actually need to set a header here to define. So when I refresh this page, it's going to throw an error, as it tells me that I don't know how to code. So we're going to try it, just print all the players that are on the server now. And it's still erroring out, because apparently I fail at PHP today. So we're going to sudo, we're already root, so we're going to take a look at the error log. Nginx error.log. So, primary script unknown. Oh, that's not this. That's it. Favicon failed. Parse error. Syntax error. Unexpected in. Okay, I thought that's how you did it. Is it not in? It's for each. How do you do this? Oh, okay, so it's array as value. So, PLP shows you just how much I know about PHP. So, that's who's on. Beck is on. Oh, poor username choice. Oh, poor username choice. I'm not sure what I'm going to say to that one. Here we could actually get the user's rank and prefix too, but we're not going to do that now. So I'm going to remove this die statement here, and then I'm going to fail it by removing a character here, saving the file, and refreshing. So, failed to receive challenge, server offline. So apparently the class is actually writing stuff out. So that's the current player. Yep. So what we're also going to do is we're going to add something. We're going to say, okay, I want to insert array PHP. I know it's augment in other languages, but I don't remember because no, so that's splice. Splice is unnecessary. Well, I know that it'll be 2, so just for testing, we'll string PL 2 is equal to test player. So this is to determine the behavior when there's multiple players. So we're going to add something here. We're going to concatenate this with a new line. And of course, we're going to forget the quotes around the new line. So now, as you can see, there's one problem. This is HTML. So we actually have to set the header. So I don't even remember the MIME header. So MIME type, I believe it's actually text plain. So I'm going to add one here, and I'm going to say header. Content type is text plain. And I'm going to concatenate this with of course not remembering how to cast these. I believe it's str, the string oxoa. That's a line feed, I believe. Oh, we're going to press F5 and be disappointed, realizing that I don't even remember. So yeah. So CRLF PHP. Apparently, I just can't remember it. Oh, note the double quotes. So apparently, there's a difference in PHP to double quotes and that. So Return new line? I never knew that. I'll have to look up what that does. But now, if we do this, we get, the test player, and we get Becca. And the poor username choice. I don't know how I can make this get nicknames. So this is the server side of our program. And it gives out plain text in HTTP of a player list. So we're going to break the video, go back to Minecraft, and make the other end of our software.